So with having a 2008 BMW 335i for over the last 8 years, the car has been great and I still own it today. And is what has really built this channel that I currently run as of right now. But I wanted to venture out and do a BMW M car. I've always wanted one. So I landed on a 2016 BMW M5. It has the competition package, executive package, driver's assistance plus package, and the Bang & Olufsen stereo sound package. I picked it up with 43,000 miles on it. Now I wanted to venture out to this car because one, I wanted a bigger sedan car and also something that had some great power on it. So the 4.4 liter twin turbo V8 is a monster and I love it. It's plenty of space for having 3 kids as well. But the main thing was having a car that I can take all my kids with me and drive it as a family car. That was the main point why I chose the M5. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive a little bit deeper in my current modifications that I currently have on the car right now, and also my future plans with the M5. It is on the black 343 wheels, 20-inch, 265 35 20s on the front, 295 30s, 20s on the rears. Now I've owned this car since September 1st, 2020. I bought it with 43,000 miles on it. It currently has 45,000 miles on it. So just 2,000 miles put on it since ownership, and the ownership has been wonderful. Right off the gate, as far as mods that I've done to this, so it has 50% legal tint on the front. They get a little crazy here in Ohio. The back is much darker at kind of like 5%, and then the rear is at 20% tint. Gives it a nice look, not too far off. First modification right off from the front. I had paint matched front reflectors, which these are from I&D Distribution. So it's the silver stud metallic there. I also did burger tuning wheel spacers front and rear, 12mm. Give it that nice stance. Front tires turned in a little bit, but it looks exactly like the back tires. It's all the way pushed out where it needs to be at. I did the BMW M Performance grills in the front there for the M5, which are gloss black. Then moving on to the side here. This is also through I&D Distribution, so these are painted gloss black whole assemblies, of course with the LED turn signal as it comes stock. So this is chrome on the M5. I&D will paint match it to whatever specifics that you want. So I wanted to go with the whole gloss black kind of look, just because with the black wheels, black front grills. I just recently put new tires on it. So these are Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's, front and rear. The rear diffuser was already on the car when I purchased it, but I did add the burger tuning billet exhaust tips. So since it is a competition package car, they come with BMW exhaust tips that are gloss black. So I wanted to keep that same kind of look there. Added the F90 badge, another thing that I did from I&D. So this is the actual F90 M5 competition badging and all that kind of stuff. So I wanted to kind of go with that kind of look. Did LED lighting all throughout. So all the doors and then the trunk. Then up under the hood, it is the Project Gamma 3.5-inch intakes, or from the turbos all the way to the front there. And they definitely suck some air in for sure. I also have the JB4 on here, so JB4 is right here. Hooked to the T-Maps, run map 1, puts me about 600 to the wheels. I want to attach the BCM connectors, which are right here. The BCMs, you can run map 2 and get you about 650 to the wheels. A little bit harder to get to because it's right here in the front area. Okay, so some future modifications. I did have a CF front lip on the front here, part too close to an actual curb. Unfortunately, cracked it. Buying another one so that could come. I'm going to do a CF side extensions, so that way it completes the CF look all the way around, since I have that rear diffuser. I'm just trying to match everything up. Then I'm going to do the down pipes on here just to get a lot more power and sound, of course. So that's going to be coming. And I would like to do the charge pipes and the intercoolers, just because, you know, you start adding more boost, all that stuff. You want to keep things cool. But other than that, it's just kind of some simple mods I want to do. But it's a blast to drive. Maintenance has been great. The car has been wonderful. You know, I currently have 3 car seats in the back here right now, taking it out more as far as the family side of things go. So I'm just trying to enjoy it, you know, for what it is and stuff like that. So all in all, it's been a great car, and I'm looking forward to having additional fun with it here to come. All right, guys, well, that does it for today. If you want to jump on the M5 bandwagon, check out my video here above. It really kind of goes into some additional pointers, things to look out for if you do want to jump on it. Other than that, you know, it has been great, and joining each and every day. Thanks again, guys. Big thumbs up on today's video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out the mini M5 videos, 335i videos, and a bunch of other great BMW content here on the channel. Hopefully you have a great rest of your day, and we'll talk with you soon. Take care.